Well, today is December 4th. Right now it's about 40 degrees. Tonight, that's a cute little boat. Tonight it's going to be in the mid-20s. Tomorrow it's going to be high of 31. And then the next night it's going to be in the teens. So everybody decided that it's winter time and they need to get their boats in to be winterized. This is about as crazy as we get. But we're going to have them all done by close today. We run antifreeze through the engine. And note all the findings we have. And when we get through with one, we bag and tag it. And it looks like that until it's time to de-winterize it.